Friday, September 24th. We're standing outside on Stanley's patio. Over the past few days, they've installed our fire pit, where we'll have seating this fall and winter for all of you to warm up, as well as an additional 10 to 12 tables for those who want to come out and eat in the fall weather. So now we're back inside Stanley's. Today we're also installing our new wood floors and also starting on the bar top. It's coming along very nicely. As you can see, most of the finishes are quite dark to go along with the overall theme of Stanley's. Over the last week, we've also installed some of the music features. There's a speaker up in the corner, as well as shelving for the projector screen, which will host movies on, as well as a special Monday night event, which will be coming to you soon. Alright, Stanley's followers, you're getting a sneak peek of the basement beer cooler. This is where we'll be hosting all 32 taps. So this is your one time to see what's going in, and hopefully you'll come by and enjoy one of our tap beers. And finally, here we are in the corner of the kitchen. Today the remaining equipment is being installed. Right now the crew is coming in and installing the rest of the kitchen. And you can join us the week of October 11th when we open up. So I hope to see you soon.